This isn't a 1967 Camaro. This is a $169,900 street monster hiding a supercharged LS9 heart beneath classic muscle car skin. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel, because today we're taking a look at one of the most incredible transformations of an American icon, the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod, a legendary first-generation Camaro reborn with modern engineering, extreme horsepower, and a level of craftsmanship that turns a classic muscle car into a true pro touring masterpiece. At first glance, this Camaro looks like a beautifully restored piece of American history. The timeless first-generation body lines, the aggressive RS front end, and the stunning blue exterior paint capture everything that made the 1967 Camaro an instant legend. But once you look closer, you realize this is not just a classic cruiser built for weekend shows. This is a machine engineered for serious performance. This Camaro represents the perfect balance between vintage style and modern technology. It keeps the soul of the original muscle car era while bringing the performance expectations of today's world-class sports cars. Under the hood sits incredible build, a Thompson Engineering LS3 418 cubic inch stroker V8 engine. This is not an ordinary LS swap. This power plant has been upgraded with LS9 heads and an LS9 supercharger, creating a combination designed to deliver explosive power with modern reliability. The moment this supercharged V8 comes to life, the personality of this Camaro completely changes. The deep, aggressive exhaust note announces that something special is waiting beneath the hood. Every press of the throttle delivers instant acceleration, blending the raw excitement of classic American horsepower with the precision of modern performance engineering. Power is delivered through a Tremec TKX 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver complete control over the experience. In an era where many performance cars rely on automatic systems, this Camaro keeps the connection between driver and machine alive. Every shift, every acceleration run, and every corner becomes an experience. Helping put that power to the ground is a Ford 9-inch rear end with a 4.101 gear ratio. Known for strength and durability, this setup is built to handle serious horsepower while providing aggressive acceleration. This is a drivetrain designed not only for attention but for performance. The Camaro also features rack and pinion power steering, making the driving experience sharper and more responsive. Combined with four-wheel Baer power disc brakes and a Hydroboost braking setup, this classic machine gains the stopping power and confidence expected from a modern performance vehicle. But the engineering excellence continues underneath the body. This Camaro rides on a Detroit Speed front and rear suspension system mounted to a hydroformed Detroit Speed frame. This is the kind of chassis technology that transforms a classic muscle car from a straight-line performer into a machine capable of attacking corners with confidence. The build includes mini tubs, frame ties, and a 4-link rear suspension, creating improved stability and allowing the car to handle serious power. Koni shocks provide additional control, while the custom exhaust system features hooker mufflers and stainless steel exhaust, delivering both durability and an incredible soundtrack. Even the smallest details were carefully considered. A stainless steel fuel tank, new brake lines, and upgraded chassis components show that this Camaro was built with quality and longevity in mind. The exterior design remains faithful to the Camaro's legendary appearance. The beautiful blue paint highlights every curve of the first-generation body. The RS front end gives it a more aggressive presence, while details like the finished trunk and aftermarket hood hinges demonstrate the attention to detail throughout the build. The stance is completed by premium FIKSE wheels, fitted with massive performance tires. Up front, the Camaro wears 255/35/18 tires, while the rear features huge 335/30/18 tires, giving this classic muscle car the aggressive road presence of a modern supercar. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The interior combines classic Camaro styling with modern comfort and performance upgrades. The cabin features black interior appointments, Recaro front bucket seats, and the original style rear bench seating, creating a perfect blend of racing inspiration and classic design. The driver gets a tilt steering column, a factory-style 3-spoke steering wheel, and a factory-style dashboard upgraded with modern aftermarket gauges. The custom door panels, new headliner, black carpeting, and upgraded stereo system make this Camaro comfortable enough for long drives while maintaining its performance-focused personality. The centerpiece of the driving experience is the Hurst shifter, connecting the driver directly to the Tremec manual transmission. Every movement feels intentional, every gear change feels mechanical, and every mile behind the wheel reminds you why classic American muscle cars remain so special, with a value of approximately $169,900. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod represents far more than a restored classic. It is a carefully engineered masterpiece that combines legendary styling, modern performance, and premium craftsmanship. This Camaro proves that a classic car doesn't have to stay trapped in the past. With a supercharged LS3 stroker engine, Detroit speeds, suspension, advanced braking technology, and a stunning custom finish, this machine brings the best of two worlds together. The 1967 Camaro was born as a competitor. Decades later, this Restomod version has evolved into something even more impressive, a modern performance icon wearing the legendary face of a first-generation muscle car. This is the ultimate expression of American automotive creativity. Classic beauty, modern engineering, and unstoppable performance wrapped into one unforgettable Camaro.